Now we will do what are the effect of change in prices, that is apples and bananas. Now if there is any change in price of two commodities, assuming no change in money income of the consumer, then budget line will change. So if there is no change in income, and now we will do with the change in the price of the commodities, the budget line will change. How? Suppose I will do first with the change in apples. Okay, suppose the price of apples changes. Okay, now when the price of apple falls, now I can afford more of it with my given income, and my new budget line will shift outwards, that is rightwards, to A1. My new budget line will be A1B. And if the price of the apple increases, I can afford less of it with my given income, it will shift leftwards. Okay, and my new budget line will be A2B. Now, why A1B and A2B? Why? It will touch the X now. Why this B point is not changing? Because my price of banana is fixed. It has not changed. Only price of apple is changing. So that is why this point will be fixed. So budget line shifts from A to A1B or to A2B. A1B if the price of apple falls. A2B if the price of apples increase. Okay. Now, suppose with the fall in the price of bananas, now I will see the change in bananas and my price of apple will be fixed. Now with the change in price of banana, suppose the price of banana falls. Now I can afford more of it. So AB, my budget line AB shifts to AB1 towards the right. And if the price of banana increases, then I can afford less of it. So if it falls, if the price of banana falls, we can afford more of it. So it shifts to AB1, rightward shift. And if the price of banana increases, I can afford less of it now. So my budget line will shift leftwards. That is B2A or AB2. AB2. So AB, it is when the price of banana, AB is my initial budget line. When the price of banana is in falling down, I can afford more of it. So my new budget line is AB1. And when the price of banana increases, I can afford less of it. So my new budget line is AB2. So with a fall in the price of banana, the new budget line will shift to the right from AB to AB1. The new budget line meets the x-axis at the same point A, due to no change in price of apples, but it will touch the y-axis to the right of B at point B1 because the consumer can now purchase more of bananas with the same income level. So similarly, a rise in price of banana will shift the budget line towards the left from AB to AB2. Okay. Now the last criteria, if both price of both the commodities change. When the price of both the goods change, the budget line will shift. Fall in price of both apples and bananas will make my affordability much more. So it will shift rightwards like this. And if price of both bananas and apples fall down, what will happen? If the price of both bananas and apples fall down, it will increase my affordability. So it will shift to the right, just as this that we did in the income case. And if price of both apples and bananas increase, rather than falling down, if the price of both apples and bananas increase, it will reduce my affordability. So it will shift leftwards, just as we did in the income case. So these diagrams need to be practiced. Now we will move to the consumer's equilibrium by indifference curve analysis, which is the last thing of the chapter.